Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hi guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we'll show you how to remove and replace park light bulbs on Hyundai Elantra 2011 to 2016. You have actually three bulbs here. You have one little bulb right there, you have this bulb right here, and you have a little hidden one over here, you can see. It's the same way on the other side as well, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So with the 12mm socket, we're going to remove that bulb right there. Two more bolts with 10mm socket. First one was 12, these ones are 10. Next, we'll need to remove 3 clips on the bumper, so we don't damage the bumper. I've seen people scratching their bumper because they're too lazy to remove 3 clips. So here, you need to unscrew the middle piece out, hold the outside, help it with a little bitty screwdriver if you need to here, because sometimes they'll get stuck. Like that, and now start unscrewing. Perfect. Now you can just unscrew it. And pull it out. Let me show you how it works. You see it like that. We have I'm trying to focus because of the sunlight. One more here and one more over there. This one came out as well. Now, you grab the headlight. The first thing that you do, you need to pull towards the front. This end goes towards the front. A little bit. You hear coming out of the clips. Now you need to grab the bumper and pull a little bit towards the front. And then the headlight needs to go up, straight up. Careful not to scratch your bumper there. Now we need to disconnect the wires. You pull down and you push them out. And the headlight came out. So on some models you might have a light bulb right there. We just realized we don't have that one for the park light. But you still have 2 more. One here, that's for turn signal and park light, and one right here. If you have a little one, you access it from here. We don't have one. Let me just show you, where it is. So you turn counterclockwise and you will be down there. For our model, we don't have this one, so we don't need to worry about that. Now, the other park light, the little one on the side, the one right here, you access it from the back. You turn counterclockwise, you pull it out. You can see how long it is. And this is not the whole thing a bulb. Right here it's just the bulb. You can grab it with your fingers, careful not to break it in your hands, and pull it straight out. And this is the bulb that we have for ours. We have the bulbs in the description of the video, guys, if you need them. So let's show you how to put it together now. So you can see we got the new one, not burnt. You can check the wire inside of it. We're going to install it on the thing, just push it straight in, like that. So you grab it, it goes only one way in the slots here. You have to be careful exactly which way. When it seems like that, turn clockwise. Now this one you turn counterclockwise, and this is for turn signal and park light. Now in order to remove it, you push down and turn counterclockwise. This is the bulb, right here, 2357. Again, we'll have the links in the description of the video. You grab the bulb, get it in place, push down and turn clockwise, like that. Next you have to install it and turn again clockwise. So all we have left is to install the headlight now. So now you have the 2 clips here, one there. You can see they go, one is here, one is over there. So first we need to go there. One person can be pulling the bumper a little bit. I know it's a little bit hard to see because of the sunshine, sorry about that. And here very careful not to damage your bumper. So we got in. Now, we need to go towards the back. Okay. Okay, it's not in all the way on this side. Okay, he went in. Now we have to connect our wire. Push in until it clicks. Next we need to install the 3 bolts that we have there. One is with 12mm socket and 2 are with 10mm. Okay, get those tight, and next we need to install the clips. Okay, let me show you how you do that. You push the middle piece in first. Okay, let me focus quick because it's quite a bit of sunshine here. Okay, middle piece in, and then the outside piece you can just push it in like that. You do the same for the rest of them. Okay, and the one over there. I've seen people not removing those, but you want to be able to pull the bumper just a little bit in the corner here so you don't damage it. Next, okay, if they don't go in, you can just screw them with a screwdriver. Okay, like that. And all we got left is to get the 3 bolts tight now. Just careful not to over tighten them. So that's how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need to see anything else, let us know. We'll be taking the whole car apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.